Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious whipped cream for your cake. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Also, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are thoroughly chilled. This preparation is crucial for achieving the perfect light and airy texture. You can use either a stand mixer or a hand mixer for this process. Now let's get whipping. Pour your chilled heavy cream into the cold bowl. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Begin mixing on a low speed to combine the ingredients, then gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Watch closely as the cream thickens. You'll first see soft peaks, which hold their shape but curl slightly. Continue whipping until you achieve firm, stiff peaks that stand straight up. Achieving stable whipped cream is key for a beautiful cake. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your cream grainy or even into butter. If you desire extra stability, especially for warmer environments, consider adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or cream of tartar during the initial mixing. Once whipped, chilling your cream for at least 30 minutes before piping or spreading will help it hold its shape even better. With your perfectly whipped cream ready, it's time to decorate. Gently spread or pipe the cream onto your completely cooled cake. For the freshest taste and best texture, it is always recommended to decorate your cake immediately after whipping. If you have any leftover whipped cream, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will remain fresh and delicious for up to 2 days, ready for your next sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.